My country people, this one na baby shower of Ifeoma, the wife of rude boy, one of Psquare them. But I won't ask, what's the difference between Ifeoma and Judy Austin? Why do we applaud Ifeoma and bash Judy Austin? I will talk my mind at the end of this video because I don't understand. Let's watch the video.
My collar when it's hard, 'cause baby only you know who I am.
Team boy or team girl?
Me, I'm team white.
If I know there's nothing like team white, so I have just two, team girl and team boy. Pink, right? Yeah. So if you dip this into the cake, whatever color you see is the gender. If it's pink, it's girl. If it's blue, it's boy.
This video is so beautiful. Baba could not even wait again to have her baby. Well, the difference between Judy Austin and Ifeoma is that rude boy is a divorcee and you a docho.